Why should your customer buy a Schweigen Rangehood? There's lots of reasons why. Predominantly being they want silence in the kitchen. They don't want any exterior extra noise other than the conversation. How does that achieved? We have a German engineered and built motor that goes external to your building, outside, preferably on your roof, but can go on a side wall, and in small cases can go on an outside eave. That produces the extraction efficiently, strongly, but also silent in your kitchen environment. What else have we got? Well, Schweigen's an Australian company, so the invention is done in Australia. It's our product, albeit help from the Germans with the motor. This is our best-selling model, the UM1170. You have a lifetime warranty on the filters. The filters come with blue wrapping. Please ensure customers take them off. That is how their filters should look. Most of our models do come with the option of a baffle. We prefer the mesh filter as the best option, but they are available for many of our models. The LED lighting, we also give you a lifetime warranty on the LED lighting. A great asset to be able to have. The individual features, you have a 15-minute cut-off timer to use. It allows you to turn this button on when you're finished cooking, and it'll take out all the last lot of your dirty air out of your kitchen before it shuts itself down. Always remember to ask the customer to turn a Rangehood on 15 minutes before they start cooking. It's essential to get that airflow happening before food is put onto the cooktop. Also, we do ensure that when you're buying the power motor, that you have ascertained what cooking that customer is doing. That is a very important factor to know that you're getting the right product, right motor for the right customer usage. Induction cooktops, always use our power motor. So the energy efficiency of these motors, this runs between 57 and 112 watts of power. That's less than most light globes. A fantastic energy saving for your house. The other major feature with buying a Schweigen Rangehood is you get the ducting and everything required to install it in the box when you purchase your Rangehood. You do not have to buy an external ducting kit. That comes with it. It's important that we use this product correctly, a la the instruction manual. So that's a Schweigen Rangehood. You've got a 3-year warranty on the product, you've got a 10-year warranty on the motor, lifetime warranty on the filters and the LED lights, and silence in your magnificent kitchen environment. Thank you.